Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to show you how to use UPBASE for planning your children's summer camp in 2025. First, log into your UPBASE account. If you don't have one, it's easy to create. This helps us because it's the gateway to accessing all the incredible features UPBASE offers for efficient summer camp planning. Next up, navigate to the Projects tab. Here's where you'll create a new project for your summer camp. This is crucial because each project serves as an individual plan, keeping all related tasks, deadlines, and information neatly organized in one place. Now that we've done that, it's time to add tasks. Each task should represent an activity or an event you want to include in the summer camp. The reason we do this is to break down the camp into manageable chunks, making it easier to monitor progress and ensure nothing gets overlooked. Once you've added your tasks, assign deadlines and responsible team members to each one. Let me explain why this matters. Deadlines provide a timeline for your planning process, while assigning team members ensures every task is taken care of by a dedicated person. Finally, use UPBASE's communication feature to keep in touch with your team. This helps us because constant communication is key to a successful planning process. You can clarify tasks, discuss changes, and share updates all within UPBASE. And there you have it. With these steps, you're well on your way to planning a fantastic summer camp using UPBASE. Remember, good planning today leads to great camps tomorrow. Thanks for watching.